they taste bad?
I don't think so. I think they're quite good.
Same here.
But it's the first time.
It's new. I've never
Oh, that's a new taste, isn't it? Yes.
This is Memorial Day. May 29th.
She's going for it pretty
Day of
good.
Station's birthday.
Good girl.
What's wrong? Those don't taste too good, do they?
No,
Get a couple
no.
fingers in there. Suck them on down.
No.
Man, that's a lot when you don't like it, huh?
Your gag on it. Oh, live entertainment.
She's doing great.
You can get some on your nose. Oh, goodness gracious.
They're gonna stay on with the fingers.
Oh.
Children's her mouth. So big.
You're a good girl.
You're
Yes.
a wonderful girl.
What a good girl.
Oh, boy. Getting beets for the very first time. Oh, no, I don't like them. No.
Look at the clown.
Oh
Come off
boy.
the table. It will? Will it come off? Okay.
Bo, bo, bo. Keeps getting wider and wider.
Oh, gosh. She's gagging.
Bless her heart.
She hates that crap.
She's trying, like the Dickens.
She's a
Bo,
good
bo.
baby.
Bo, bo.
Stone.
But
Yeah.
not, they go away on their own.
Oh,
is the most
your
colorful food
mama
you've
makes
eaten.
the best beets.
She says, little bites like that I can handle, Mom.
You don't like that. Oh, boy, you two are mean.
Poor little
Say,
thing.
give me smaller bites.
Jessica, I can't believe how much you have. Did you see that?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
What'd she do?
picked it up.
She picked up this very
Yeah.
tiny piece and she put it in her mouth. Oh.
It's a modern miracle, if you will.
See, that was for the camera.
Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness, it just doesn't want to go down.
Say, Mom, let's put the rest down the sink and give me some breast milk.
But don't wipe off her mouth first.
That'd teach me, huh? Oh, goodness. Oh.
Oh, man.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Jessica. Oh. Hi. Hi. Oh, no, let's not do that.
What's she doing?
Call her and look at her face. Do you think it's just the taste of them?
Yeah. The
Good, huh?
consistency is just like anything else you've had. Oh, dear.
Good. Mmm. Num num.
Nothing for you. No.
Wink at her and see her.